Spring is finally here. The birds are singing, the flowers are blossoming, and I am fighting with a huge tree stump. I've been fighting with this thing for about 3 weeks. I'm not even kidding. There was other tree stumps on the back. Those are the remains over there. That's the tree stump cemetery. And I think that today is the day where this thing is gonna come out, because it started moving just a tiny bit. I had no clue that tree stump removal was this difficult. I looked online, I looked everywhere, and I tried different things. I used the chainsaws, 3 different chainsaws. I blunted the chain of all of 3 of them. Then I went to get them sharpened. Then I worked on it again, and they blunted in like less than 5 minutes, because you're not supposed to touch soil or rocks, especially with them. So they were useless. And then I even tried to... I bought a chain to put around the tree trunk so that I could pull with a porter and hopefully dislodge a little bit of the roots. But then this happened, which obviously this wasn't the right carabiner to use for the job. So I ended up just surrendering to the usual tools, which I don't know how you call this in English, and a hammer and a wedge. So as you can imagine, it has been a very painfully slow job. But anyway, hopefully today we're gonna get it sorted. Look who is coming! Hi! Hello! Hi! And the reason why I need this gone is because I'm planning to continue this dry stone wall up to the end up there, because right now it's kind of a mess, and so I'm gonna try and make the road a little bit wider and make it a little bit neater by continuing this wall till the end there.
Forever falls in love with the guy that wears sweater vest. She used to be mine, but now it's like we never met. Forever leaves fast in the middle of the night. Forever breaks my heart and never says goodbye. Days and nights, skin and bone, I'm still here.
Today I think I'm gonna be taking a break from working outside because my back is killing me, and I think I'm gonna go in and make some dog treats with carrot and oats. I had made them for Odie a long while ago and he loved them, so I'm gonna attempt in making them again. But before I do that, I wanted to share with you a super cool product. You might know I've been trying to reduce my plastic waste forever, but one thing that I've been struggling with is cleaning products and hand soap especially. As you know, anytime that you buy hand soap, it comes in a plastic bottle, and so I've been trying to use bar soap, but then when I wash my hands, they're usually super dirty, and then the dirt stays in the bar soap, and I just don't really like washing my hands with the same bar soap that has all different kinds of dirt in it. And I even tried to make my own soap, and that did not go well. It was super jelly and it did not come out the pump. It was not nice. So I was so glad when Blueland reached out. Blueland is a company that makes cleaning products that are free from single-use plastics, whether it's in the product, in the tablets that they use, in the wrapping, or in the materials that they use for the shipping. Basically how it works, you get your bottle once, and then you just need their tablets to get a new batch of soap or cleaning products. The tablets are shipped directly to you for when you need them, and they are nickel size, so about this size, and they are only $2 each, so that's as much as a nice coffee. I found the concept super cool, and the products are effective, they're convenient, and they're also made from clean ingredients. In fact, their products are certified by the EPA, which stands for Environmental Protection Agency in the US, which means that EPA scientists evaluated every single ingredient in the product to make sure that it meets the safe choice criteria. And the products are vegan, cruelty-free, and they are paraben, ammonia, bleach, and chlorine-free. I got the hand soap bottle, as you can see, and I put the eucalyptus and lavender tablet in, and it was so fun to see it dissolve, and it smells delicious and leaves your hands smooth, doesn't dry them out, which is nice. But I'm looking forward to try their other products. They have cleaning products, as I said, but also dish washing powder and laundry detergent products. So if you're also in the market for cleaning products and you're trying to reduce your single plastic use, then I would highly suggest checking Blueland. You can click on the link in the description to get a special offer, 20% off, which is not something that I do often, so I would highly suggest taking advantage of it. And yeah, thanks again to Blueland for sponsoring this video. Let's get in the kitchen. To make the treats, you just need 3 ingredients: 1 cup of oats, half a cup of peanut butter, and 1/3 of a cup of shredded carrots. Moment of truth. Hi, what's this? What's this? Yum. The cookies were a success, and they're super easy to do. I will leave the link to the recipe on the description, as usual. I wanted to share with you the wall, the dry stone wall that I made months ago. Da, 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 da. Here's the finished wall. What do you think? I think it looks okay. I planted another hazelnut tree over here, and I don't quite know what to do with the top because it's still kind of exposed with rocks. Woo! Lots of rocks over here. I think I'll just wait for the earth to come on top and kind of cover it. Anyway, nobody can see it, so yeah. I'm quite satisfied with how it turned out. It's not the most aesthetically pleasing dry stone wall on earth because I didn't cut the stones. I just worked with what I had. I didn't, you know, change the stones or anything. Sometimes to make them more straight looking, then you cut the front so that it looks flat, but I didn't do that. Maybe the next one. But anyway, it was such a back-breaking job that I think I'm gonna wait a little while before I start another dry stone wall. Hello everyone, excuse the very ugly background behind me. It's super windy and this is the only shaded place outdoors. Today it's a very exciting day because we are gonna be planting potatoes. I've got about 10 kilos of seed potatoes that I got this morning, and I wasn't planning to plant potatoes this year because they need a lot of space, and I wanted to make raised beds, and to make raised beds, well, they're expensive, so I didn't think I would be able to grow them this year. But then I remembered that there's a way to grow potatoes that is just with hay. It's called the root stout method. Ruth Stout was a gardener, I think in the 50s, 60s. They kind of promoted a way of gardening that was kind of less backbreaking and more in tune with nature. And she would just throw the potatoes on the ground, not even in rows, just like throw them like that, and then cover them with mulch, and that is it. And so I'm gonna give it a go. I have not much to lose. If nothing grows, then I will have to just spend 10 euros on seed potatoes, and it's not the end of the world. If it works, it would be just amazing, and again, it's gonna save so much energy and time if it works. So let's give it a go. So this is the space that I kind of cleared out to put the potatoes. I hope it's gonna be enough. I simply just cut the grass a little bit more. I mean, it's not very tall over there, but you can see I probably cut like around 10 centimeters. And yeah, I hope this is gonna be enough. If not, I can cut a little bit more. And as I said, the main ingredient of the root stout method is the mulching with hay. So this morning I went and got this big bag of hay, which did fit in the porter. I was really proud of it. I totally misjudged the amount of hay that I would need for this project. I put one bag, the bag that I had earlier that was like super tall, and it only did this. And as I said, I need about 50 centimeters high of hay. So I don't think this amount of potatoes is possible. So I think I need to reduce my potato patch massively. I think I'm just gonna do 1/3 of what I initially thought I would do. Remove the potatoes, hopefully somebody will want them. And I also went to pick up some more hay from the lovely farmer, and I got 2 bags there that I think is just gonna be enough to give a small covering on top. And then next week hopefully he's gonna come with the tractor and bring me some more hay, and that hopefully is gonna be enough to reach the height that I need for this project. I laid all the hay that I had, and tomorrow I think I'm gonna add some wood chips as well to the... Bilbo qua, vieni qua. I need the potatoes, thank you. I'm gonna add some wood chips because I have loads of those. And actually you can have this no-dig method of growing potatoes both with hay and with wood chips. With hay is the root stout method, and with wood chips it's the back to Eden method. They have different names, but basically they're very similar. So you add a lot of mulch, either hay or wood chips. So since I have lots of wood chips, I might do a little bit of both. They say that growing potatoes with wood chips is actually a lot better because the wood chips bring potassium, which potatoes are love. So yeah, but anyway, that is it for today. See you tomorrow. Hello everyone, look how sunny it is. Look what arrived today, a big ball of hay. And I was quite sad because I wasn't here when the tractor came up. I would have loved to see it coming up on that small road. Anyway, I think this is gonna be enough, more than enough, to cover the patch of potato up to 50 centimeters. But before I do that, I think I'm gonna apply a layer of wood chip and then put the rest of the hay on top. By the way, in case you're wondering, I had put those sticks on top of the hay piles just to avoid it flying away because it can get super windy here. And eventually I would like all of this space to be garden space and to grow veggies up here. This is the longest bit, the biggest bit of clear land that I have. The only issue is that it gets super windy. This is probably the windiest spot of the whole village, and so I need to find a way to maybe make a barrier and to maybe put bushes to you know, diminish the amount of wind that will get to the crops. But yeah, if you have any tips about that, I would be really grateful if you were to share them, because I'm still thinking about what the best solutions are, and I'm open to suggestions. I think I'm gonna put a load of chips for each strip, so that's gonna be 4 loads. Bilbo, do not eat the potatoes. Hey! Can you see the fizz in this kombucha? I made it with the, oh, it's fizzy, with strawberry and ginger, and it's delicious, much better than the store-bought one. Done. Now we just need to wait and add hay on top if it lowers, but hopefully in 4 to 6 weeks, I think, some leaves. Hey, stop it, come here. Hey, vieni qua. Hopefully the plants will come out. Anyway, I hope you bless you. I hope you enjoyed this more of a farm style kind of vlog, and we shall see you very soon. We'll say goodbye. Goodbye, guys. And don't forget to check out Blue Land's products, they are amazing. A link will be in the description down below. I'm sorry, I'm getting distracted, there's something over there. Anyway, bye guys. Bye. Bye.